Hi everybody, how are you? I hope you're good. I got a package and I don't know whose it's from or what it is, so I thought I'd open it and share with you right away. That's too funny. This was on my wish list, so I guarantee it was my daughter, because I had this on my wish list. I bet you it was Dymond. And then just gonna flip it like that. There it goes. Yeah, I had it up. This is so funny. Sabrina got me one too. You can put paint in there and close it, seal it. It doesn't seal up too good, so I guarantee it dry out. And it smells really weird. Like so. Huh. Salt the message Dymond. And Tinker. So it's pretty cool though. Thank you, Dymond, or whoever. Maybe it wasn't Dymond. I don't know. But and I will still use Sabrina's as well. But I guess when I receive something that I put in my wish list on Amazon, I should go back in and take it off, because I do that for Dymond and the kids. So I've been working on my cards, and now I'm just clear coating them. These are a few I have a whole stack to do that too. These are drying. So I want to thank you guys for watching. If you got me this, thank you. I like it. I love the one from Sabrina as well. I will probably use both, because I'm a sloppy painter. Alright guys, and look at, I'm gonna put that right there. Oh, don't fit. There we go. That right there. I'm gonna use this. Alright, as always guys, thank you. Be happy, be kind, be funny. Be safe. Oh my god, I'm so tired today. Be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.